Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, there's that funky looking building right there. So you can kind of see the inside. So we're gonna see if I can get a little bit closer to that. And I'm not sure what that building is, but it's always been kind of attractive. There's the Wind Palace right behind us. And that's the City of Dreams right there. So let's go see what that one's all about. Okay, so here's this kind of cool looking building right here. And we're gonna get a lot closer to it and see what it looks like. There's the school and there's... Okay, so we're at that funky looking building, so we're gonna try to go and see what we can see inside of it as well. So if we can get inside, we will. I don't know if we can or not. Just can't really see it that well from the outside though. Morpheus, it's called. So we will just go inside and see if we can go through it and up to the other side. Okay, this is the inside of this building, and you can see there's escalators that go up, and everything is kind of futuristic here. So the front desk is very futuristic, and it's futuristic is the only way I can really describe that. It's crazy. When you're in the inside, it's really different. Come here, guys. Okay, I've never walked into this before. It's a casino, so we can't go through that, so we'll try to go around this way. So yeah, this is basically a mall. We're gonna run up there too. So okay, so this is basically a mall inside of this kind of funky looking building, and you got some pretty cool artwork up there too. Okay, so looks like part of this is a big casino. So that's this casino over there.
Chiquinha, chiquinha. Toma cuidado pra você.